Peace everyone, I'm Akila, mother of the Noble Market, and I just want to give a huge shout out to everybody that came to this backyard to harvest garlic at our grand opening. Amazing feeling to see such a small seed of a dream bloom and harvest with our community. We are so eternally grateful. On that note, I wanted to share a video with you guys today on how to cure, braid, and store your freshly picked hard neck garlic. Take some of the dirt out of the roots. So I'm just massaging the roots of the garlic bulbs, removing some of the excess dirt from the bulbs while still preserving the dirt on the skin. Later we're just going to leave that out to dry and it'll be easy to brush off. So I have my 3 bowls of garlic here. We're going to start with one on the left, one on the right, and the last one in the middle. And from there we're just going to layer by weaving the left and right sides towards the midline while adding bulbs in between. So I'm just going to braid upward and weave inward towards the midline. When I cross over, I'm going to add garlic and weave the opposite side towards the midline. I'm going to continue this process, and it really is quite meditative. So we're just going to braid all the way down, and this is a really big harvest that I braided together. And when you get to the end here, you're gonna secure the braid by making a loop and grabbing some twine to tie the ends of the shoots. So once it's tied, it's gonna make a nice hook for you to hang to dry. Isn't she beautiful? It's preferred to hang this out in the sun to dry, but if it rains, you can bring it to the shed or any place with nice airflow and low humidity so it can dry. Well, thank you for watching. If you guys grow garlic and would try these methods, please leave a comment. And yeah, the Noble Market is open, so please subscribe, like, comment, share, and be part of our growing community. See you in the next video.